Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to be taking a look at my keyboard that I built in the last episode and just do a little bit more of a sound test after I've fixed the stabilizers. So towards the end of that video, I realized I should have probably done some work to the stabilizers themselves in that keyboard. I just left them as they were when they got them out of the box, and that was a mistake because they were super noisy, especially the space bar. So in this video, I have already done the I took them out, I lubed them, I clipped the stabilizer feet, I did the Band-Aid modification on the PCB, kind of the typical things you would normally do, and now this is just a sound test of the result of that.